Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Nissan Leaf key fob. First, remove the emergency key by sliding the release, then pry open the fob seam gently with a small flathead screwdriver. Remove the old CR2032 battery using a non-metal tool if possible, note the battery orientation, and insert the new CR2032. Reassemble the case and test the buttons from a short distance to confirm function. In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Nissan Leaf key fob. After separating the halves, carefully lift the battery from its clip and note the plus side orientation. Avoid touching the new battery with bare fingers to prevent oils from reducing life and seat it firmly in the clip. Snap the halves back together, slide the emergency key back in, and press the unlock button to verify signaling. In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Nissan Leaf key fob. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while you wait on service or parts, with a bright screen and long battery life that fits in a glove box. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Nissan Leaf key fob. If the new battery does not fix the issue, inspect contact pads for corrosion and clean with isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab. Confirm the battery is seated and the case is fully closed to ensure contact pressure. For persistent faults, the transponder or circuit board may need professional attention from a dealer or locksmith.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.